Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about Lorraine and Erica. Now, she's saying that also that Michelle had stated allegedly on Lorraine's life that she has Border Patrol, the FBI, and other people waiting on Maxine once she gets to the airport in America to arrest her. And those are allegations that I haven't confirmed as yet. So I'm just letting you know what Maxine is saying. That's what they said. So guys, she's saying that she's not going back. I'm not really sure if she's just jokingly saying that she's not going back right now because she's not going to go in that position where she's going to be held for doing nothing at all. So um Maxine is chilling out here, you know, and chilling. She's saying that she's not showing her face
and
because of
kidney.
that same reason. She
Have a
said,
good night, everyone.
Don't know
Love
her
you all.
face yet, won't know it right now because she's just, kind of hiding out. But, there's she has to do what she has to do. And if that's what she believes, then, it's up to her. But guys, go and catch the video and hear more about what she has to say about Erica, Lorraine, and Michelle, and the alleged, you know, border patrol or immigration that will be waiting on her when she gets in, you know. So, guys, go check out the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And lovelies, as always, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Not including giving away money or building house. You understand? Anybody who contribute to the Bella's Bucket of Blessing Limited, like you give a $50 here and there, me have to tell them what the $50 use and do. Me have to. Even though it's a non-profit, I have to explain to them what it use and do. Me can't just take it on me like how landlord say, oh, use money, do this, and use money, do that, and use money. No, I know so it work, people. I know so it work. When me hear Legendary they play the Jamaican sing thing this morning, me say, me clap, me say, but wait, me know when they tell you all of this all along. Me know when they tell you all of this all along. Me say, then a church in already stand, it can't already start. There's too much. You have to show every receipt. You have to show every receipt. If you spend $1 up to the cents, them $100.52, you have to show it to them. Or you don't go to prison. All of the people them who run with the charity money from over Dana. All of who get money and gone about them business. You think them up them would scotch free? No, people, them can't scotch free. Because tax office of Jamaica want them money. Uno have to go through the paperwork, them business office, charity office, and all of the office them don't they want them money because then see say the money laundering is big. Big, and this is a way of people laundering money. Just like how, yes, Ro. Yes. Me tell you no. So me here said that I make live. Must I yesterday make me go look for. Make me go look for. Let me look for it. Hold on the people. When you not hear me they talk, me not just want talk. Me not just want talk, you know.
Find the right someone to talk to.
Me wish me couldn't know which party night today. Because me no really want to go play the whole of her life. Because like how she ever vendetta against me, if she love strike me again, make it worse. She love strike me, you know. You know people, she love strike me. Boy, I wish me know exactly in a way this I had it. As she starts, she says, so, why am I not seeing Maxine? Fan, where is she? You not see the fan, no the fan there. No the fan there. Leo Walker, present good day to you, Miss Maxine. Just a reminder, don't give up nor give in. Jamaica system is very tedious one. Stay blessed. Oh yes, I know that. I've been through it, believe me, and a lot of money spending. Thank God. Thank God for all of my nice supporters. Thank God. You're not seeing me. Well, there's a reason why you're not seeing me, because I just don't want to be seen. I have to be hiding. Because Michelle send the, I don't want to really see my face like that, because I have all sort of authorities over here watching, you know. All sort of authorities over here, they watch. But Michelle Bradshaw had sent the marshals and the sheriff and the FBI and all of those people. She sent them at the airport to wait for me. So I can't let you guys see my face. I have to go keep myself in a mask, because I don't see you make laugh at me start to cry. I don't even want to make laugh at me cry. I did not want to make her cry. When she hear about this subject, it's very touching. It's a very, very touching subject. I get to understand that I cannot go back to America. I don't know what crime did I commit, whether it's treason or whatever, I don't know. But I get to understand that, yes, me get to understand, say, I can't go home. I cannot go home. So me have two home, Jamaica and America. So one of the home me can't go back to. So me just have to just stay hiding. So I don't want to put my face on there too much. Who don't know me face yet, now I'm going to know me face again. Michelle a wicked girl. Michelle send the sheriff, the marshals, and the up to border patrol out there. Up to the state trooper there. Up to the state trooper out there. They wait for me. So me still have to in a hiding. When me reach at the airport, me have to go put on one mask and all of them sitting there. Me will make it look like a COVID still they keep. Me I go make it look like I say COVID. The way me they go mask up and woody up. And then sitting there, cause by me ear alone, me let go me ear alone and I hit alone, don't make me get away. So me now go me they cover up everywhere. Laugh at me, nobody cry no more. Don't cry too much, laugh at me. Don't cry too much. Yes. Michelle is one wicked girl, and that's why I'm going to do everything in my powers to bring down Lorraine and everybody. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. That's why me talk so much, you know, because me have the blueprint, you know. Me have the blueprint. Them only have carbon copies and stuff like that. Me have the blueprint. I can walk into any station anyway and say, listen, I'm filing charges for Ashanti, you know. What you have? Here you go. Here's the evidence. And it's not tampered with. Do you want to file charge on Lorraine to me? Say yes. Here it is. Here is everything. Thanks to Cartoon, I have more than what I really had needed. Because Lorraine come out here and violate the HIPAA law. Lorraine come out here and violate the HIPAA law when she take the patient them. Yes, me have the full bill and receipt. When she take the patient them and bring them out here on social media. And they laugh off of the lady, the lady don't have no picnic, and the lady in an early stage, Alzheimer's. Oh yes, that little nasty girl. Me tell you now. So that's the reason why you see how the story long, the hiding story. You better if you don't ask me why me the hide. You better if you don't ask me, because you see how much story me tell you in a one. This is how you call 10 story in a one. This is how you call 10 story in a one. Me come out here and me tell you now, but if you have done nothing or committed any crime, what is the problem? Me no know, Simit. You have to go ask Michelle. Simit, me no know what me do. You know, here say the marshals and the FBI and border patrol and everybody out there, and them a wait for me with silver bracelet for slap on me hand. And so Michelle come pan your contact. You want me play make you hear? Have right pan your so Michelle come contact you. Bally out. And say the Maryland police and the Maryland courthouse have summons for me arrest. But look at Simit, laugh at me, Simit think I joke me and make. Simit, look at no man, Simit. I no joke me and make, you know, Simit. Simit is not joke me they make. See, laugh at me, they tell me, say me no fi left Jamaica none at all. Me not left. Left fi do what? Fi come up and them put on, you know, hear me tell you say, I'd naked me a trip naked out there and go along, but them better bring straight jacket when they reach out there. Them better bring straight jacket when they reach. They call me trip naked. Me nah go no way. That's not how bad. I assume you said border patrol. I saw them say Simpson. You know, hear Michelle? Me never know say me a citizen for more than 30 years. And me no do nothing. Me serve this country for 3 full years. Serve the federal government for 3 good years. Me got me certificate. Me have all one thing when me get from one judge. And he said, Miss Maxine, if you ever feel like you need my help, here you go. I wish if you could come into my courthouse every day and sit in my courthouse and teach these people some stuff. Yes, I got the letter that me have from one judge. Big time judge too. When he having criminal case, them he call me. I say, Miss Maxine, I would like you to take a second chair. Yes, that's so Maxine sit down and me after they run and hide from sheriff, border patrol, marshals and something. Me after they hide. Me can't even find something for them. Me rough, yeah. People me can't even find food. Simpson me after they hide. I wonder if you can put in a good word for me. Michelle said the people them there at the airport, they wait for me with handcuff. With a salmon. Why get from me don't know how for me case so long, you know. And for Lorraine and Steve take 1 day. Lorraine and Steve case take 1 day. And Michelle say still have for me waiting, pending. That the minute me touch the plane, then go and lock me up out at airport. Michelle? Michelle tell me say on social media, say the people them they wait for me with handcuff. Who the joke? Michelle the joke? Martin, who the joke? Michelle? Me not take nothing what Michelle say for joke because they on social media. And just them words alone can't make anything happen. That's how powerful them is. That's how powerful them is. Michelle said the sheriff, they wait for me. The marshals, they wait for me. The state trooper, they wait for me. The federal government is waiting on me. He said Maryland police and Maryland courthouse serve the salmon. Because number one, when me there Florida, me tell them lie. And me never tell them no lie. Martin then come serve paper, and when they serve paper, the right documentation was not on the paper. My name was not on the paper. Then keep saying Maxine, Maxine. Me say Maxine who? And when the man say Maxine so and so, me say nobody know their name so. Nobody know Libya name so. The man say, give me your ID. Let me see your ID. That's about the 5th time me show him the ID. Cause all the other rest of the time, me never went under no chorus for show him nothing. Me couldn't argue with him and cuss him till me weak. Oh, I know, I'm sorry. I'm calling the wrong word, Martin. Simpson, I'm calling the wrong word. It's not Maryland. It's this the Maryland Police Department. Let me take time talk. Let me chat so fast so no not hear what me say. May turn Steve now. Excuse me, please. Because I know what you heard. Maryland Police, Maryland Courthouse is waiting for me. You no get it now, people? Maryland Police, Maryland, they wait for me. Me no know which crime me commit. Me no know because all murderer in America, they get all bail and they get all them sinting there. Me no know what me do. You never know. You never know what they say me do. But it's serious. That's the reason then friend them come out here and then say, yo, fuck are you? That's why you get stuck in a Jamaica and can't come out. Yes. Did you check with them to see? Me afraid. See me afraid. If somebody tell you say them are sending you dangerous things, what you do? Why would you want to contact them? Me not contact them. I not hiding. That's why me can't show me face, because I don't really want to see me face, because my face can change at any time. Me not ask them no. That's why you see like how Simpson I work with them. Me they beg I beg you to do it for me, please. No me. No sir. No sir. See me not that brave. Me brave but not that brave. I laugh at me after they beg for program certain things for me. No sir. No. Me not do it. Me not call them. And the next thing you know, then go put on track up on my phone. No, sir. Laugh at me what you think. Me not call. Me not that brave. See me not that brave. No. The whole I don't know me name and every information about me. You know, see me picture all about the place. Me soon change all the picture them too. Me soon take off all of them from off of social media. No, me not ask them nothing. Me I take Michelle fin word. No, yeah, they laugh at me say me not fi call them. Me not, Barbie Shaw, what you think me shouldn't call them? Me not call them. No, sir, me not call them. Me they stay right under the breadfruit tree. Me just take time the breadfruit them, as the breadfruit them come to perfection, oh, me take them off. The girl go as far as say, oh, me sell off. The girl go as far as say, me sell off every chain off of me neck. I no lie, she they tell her one chain me have left. One no more chain me have left. Me can't afford to sell the one chain me left. Oh, me pan them out for cash for gold. Me pan them out for cash for gold. And the breadfruit tree me there right now, they pray that the breadfruit them make yes and come again. Coming yam off the whole of them done long time. Michelle wicked. That 7-2 the correct. She wicked till she can't wicked no more. That's why me not top call her 7-2. Anytime she get back the other 3-2. I'm serious, Maxine. That is not. You can't stay there. Simpson, you can't stay there. Me want to know. I want to know, just like all I want to know, what crime has Maxine committed? That's why she cannot go back to America. What crime did she commit that you are going to send the sheriff and everybody out there to wait on her so you could lock her up? What crime did she commit? Me then wait, me say, me think the 3 year when me work with the federal government, me think that could bypass everything, but them are your people, you don't take no check. Them are your people, you don't care what you do for them. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Them okay, you go to jail. Okay, but get someone to check. I bet it's all lies. Social media far too controlling in people's private. Oh, please. Me no know what me do. Good as me no know what me do. And Michelle come on social media can say everybody there at the airport they wait for me. So me not board the plane. Me not boarding the plane. Me afraid fi call them fi ask them nothing. Cause me no want them track the number and fi find me. Me not ask the people them nothing. Me not ask them nothing. Cause me no know what me do, Michelle. Me no know what me do with Lorraine. All me do I come out and speak the truth. Me no know what me do. Me no know. And who know me they wait pan fi do all of the investigation fi make me know. Number one, how me know say Michelle a dirty liar than thief, man, wicked man Lorraine.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.